Welcome back to our YouTube Studio tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to find the upload date of your video on YouTube using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Log into your YouTube account and click on the YouTube Studio icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Click on Content. Within the YouTube Studio dashboard, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Select Content to access your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. From the list of your uploaded videos, choose the video for which you want to find the upload date. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the desired video, click on the Details tab located at the top of the page. Step 5. Select Analytics. Within the Details section, you'll find a submenu. Click on Analytics to access your video's performance data. Step 6. At the top right, you can find the date. In the Analytics tab, you'll see various metrics. Look at the top right corner of the page to find the upload date of your video. And there you have it. You've successfully found the upload date of your video on YouTube using your PC. Knowing the upload date can be helpful for tracking the growth and progress of your content. Stay tuned for more YouTube Studio tutorials.